The KitchenAid grain and rice cooker is a game changer for anyone who loves cooking grains and rice with precision. What really stands out is the integrated scale that automatically senses the amount of grains you're adding, adjusting the water to grain ratio for you. This means no more guessing or over undercooking. Just fill up the tank with water, and that's it. Place it back in the built-in water tank dispenses, and it dispenses just the right amount of water, and it is removable for easy refills. With 21 preset options for everything from rice to quinoa to beans, you can easily prepare a variety of healthy meals. Plus, it comes with a steamer basket for veggies, meats, or fish, so you can make a complete meal in one go. Isn't that really cool? Plus, the touchscreen interface is super intuitive, making it easy to navigate cooking modes. The delayed cooking feature is also a great touch, allowing you to prep ahead and have your meal ready whenever you want. All in all, it's perfect for meal prepping or anyone who wants consistent, healthy meals with minimal effort. So, if you're looking for a rice cooker that is smart, looks good for your kitchen, and you can totally rely on, this KitchenAid is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you get to decide what rice cooker to buy. Thank you.